In this video, I'm going to show you two simple tips that will help you format your MLA style Works Cited page perfectly. The first tip is a way to make sure that your Works Cited header and page stay where they belong, on the last page of your document. If you try to do this by just using the Enter key, you'll often find that when you upload your file elsewhere, various differences in systems will mean that your Works Cited page crept up onto the same page as your essay. There are a lot of reasons why this happens, including differences in fonts, operating systems, and other encoding issues. The good news is that there's a very easy way to tell the word processing program exactly where you would like a new page to start, the Insert Page Break function. Here's how to do this in Microsoft Word. Place your cursor where you would like the new page to begin, right here at the Works Cited header. On the menu ribbon at the top of the word processor, click to open the Insert menu. From here, you should see the Page Break option. When you click it, a new page will begin, and your Works Cited page is now the last page of your document. This page break will stay where you want it, even if you change fonts, convert, or upload the document. The process is very similar if you are using Google Docs. Simply place your cursor at the Works Cited header, and then click to open the Insert menu drop-down. Select Break, and then Page Break. Voila! Next, I'll show you how to properly format your Works Cited page using hanging indent formatting. Your citation should be listed in alphabetical order by the first letter of the citation, usually an author's last name. Type each citation all on one line. It will wrap to the next if it needs to, but don't hit enter until you get to the end of the citation. Once your citations are all done and in order, you can easily switch your Works Cited page into hanging indent format. Highlight and select your citations. On the Home menu ribbon, click to open the Paragraph formatting box. Under Indentation, you'll see Special. Click the drop-down here and select Hanging. Click OK, and that's it, a perfectly formatted Works Cited page. Again, this process is very similar on Google Docs. Highlight your citations. On the menu, click Format and select Align and Indent. Click on Indentation Options. You'll find the Hanging Indent option under Special Indent. These two issues might seem nitpicky, but they really make a difference. For one, without these corrections, your paper just isn't correctly formatted in MLA style. But more importantly, they help ensure that your reader can quickly find exactly what they're looking for in your citations. It's convenient for the reader, and it makes you look good too. If you still have questions, please feel free to send them to me by email. That's it for now.